Hey guys, if your Xbox keeps overheating, you're not alone. It's one of the most common issues gamers face in 2025, especially with long play sessions or poor airflow setups. Here's how to fix it and keep your console cool for good. First of all, check placement. Make sure your Xbox isn't against a wall or in a closed cabinet. Leave at least 4 to 6 inches of space around it for ventilation. Clean your vents regularly. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove dust buildup around the cooling fans. Avoid vacuuming directly. It can damage internal sensors. Enable performance mode. Go to settings, power mode, energy saver mode. This reduces background processes and lowers heat output. Step 4. Keep software updated. Microsoft's 2025 updates includes auto fan calibration, which improves internal temperature control. Make sure your console firmware is up to date. Use a cooling stand or external fan dock, which is optional, available in official Xbox accessories. So if your Xbox overheat mid-session, pause gameplay, quit heavy apps, and let it idle for 10 to 15 minutes. Overheating often causes crashes or screen freezes, but consistent maintenance and airflow fixes the problem permanently. So clean it, cool it, update it, and never block the vents. Your Xbox will run smoother, quieter, and last years longer. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.